Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can make YouTube automation videos using AI for absolutely free. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So the first thing that you will need to do is you need to head to ChatGPT. So I'm already on ChatGPT and I will make a video right now for my separate channel which is on cars. So I will just search for top 5 iconic sports racing car of all time. Now ChatGPT will generate a script for you. So the first one is Ferrari, Porsche, Ford. Now we will wait for it to be completed. And since it's top 5, it will generate 5 options for us. So as you can see, now this is generated. Now all you have to go is you need to sign up on flicky.ai, which will help you to make videos with voiceover, and you don't have to show your face on the videos. So I will leave a link in the description as to how you can sign up with Flicky AI. It will give you free credits and it will also give me some free credits. So as you can see, I've already created this file. If not, then you can go ahead and create a new one. Enter the file name, top 5 iconic, I can say, and you have to select this option video and we'll go ahead and create it. Now there are a lot of video settings over here. So you can select the size. So it's square, portrait. Portrait is for Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. You can make shorts using this. So if I select this and click on save, it will be in short format. So you can create YouTube shorts, you can create Instagram reels, you can also create TikTok videos on this. But since we are talking about YouTube landscape, so we will go ahead and select landscape over here. Now if we check more video settings, then this font is large for now. You can put it extra large, medium, or small, anyways you like. So for me, usually the medium works very good. And if we check landscape and okay, so we will enable everything, enable fade effect, enable zoom, enable subtitles, and the subtitles would be displayed at the bottom. So we will go ahead and close this. And if we check on my files over here, I have already generated this video. So I've copy pasted the script generated by ChatGPT and I have pasted over here with just some small changes. Like I have added this. Here are the top 5 iconic sports racing car, and you have the option of selecting the audio here, which is auto generated by the AI. I personally like the James option, but you can try using different voices and styles. And some of the styles are paid, so you can pay extra and get this. And they also have the option of cloning your voice, which I will talk about later. So if you listen to this,
Here are the 5 iconic sports racing cars that have made a significant impact in motorsports history.
so it sounds very good. And all you have to do is, once the video is ready, I will show you some of the snippets of the video.
Here are the 5 iconic sports racing as one of the most beautiful and successful racing cars ever made. Its V12 engine and aerodynamic design allowed it to achieve numerous victories in endurance races.
So this is how I made a top 5 video very easily using this AI. And you can also change the image over here. There is a stock library, then there is AI art, my library, and recent. So if you don't like a certain image or a video over here, you can simply go ahead and change it by searching it in the media. Now once the video is ready, all you have to click on export and just click on download. Since I've already downloaded this.
Here are the 5 iconic sports racing cars that have made a significant impact in motorsports history. 1970 is like the 24
Now the problem with this is there is this flicky logo over here. I will make a separate video as to how you can remove this for absolutely free with no additional charges involved. And as you can see, now the video is ready, and you can publish as many video as you like using this method. The only thing is like you need to pay for the subscription. Like if I go in the accounts, and if we check for the credits and subscribe to Flicky, you can check their plan. So basic plan starts with $6 a month, standard 21, and premium is 66. So as I told you, I will leave a link in the description where you can directly sign up, and if you want to pay some extra money, you can get this benefit. So for premium, it's like 600 minutes, and for the free version, it's like 5 minutes per month. So I've already exhausted 74% of my limit making that video. So this is how it's pretty simple to make YouTube automation videos. And still, in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.